Next, I would like to call upon Ankur Badonia, second year student of Department of Mechanical Engineering, to present his vision for IIT Delhi.
Good evening, respected audience. I, Ankur Badonia, stand here to present my views on my vision of IIT Delhi. The name Indian Institute of Technology has always stood forward in world scenario as a brand that produces one of the best brains all over the globe. For a student, it is a privilege in itself to study at an IIT, whatever be his nature of study. And more importantly, IIT Delhi stands out further in limelight, being the IIT in the national capital. If one has respect, one has to maintain it through sheer obligation towards one's responsibility. So this stands the motto for our IIT as well. It has the responsibility of not just producing sharp brains, but those which compute the benefit of our nation and humanity altogether. A faded vision for IIT Delhi is quite apt in everyone's mind. Produce good engineers. But does that say it all? No. An IIT being established with millions of rupees is brought into existence for developing new technology and for spreading a word to the world that, yes, we too have the best in our nation. It is self-explanatory for us that we need a technology that suits our national climate, our traditions and our practices. And for that, engineers and researchers should be inculcated with a sense of self-developed and independent modes of study resonating with our national requirements. We should restrict ourselves to basic technical knowledge that has become obsolete in the world. Yes, I do understand the need of learning evolution of technology, but bare basic knowledge is not sufficient to compete with the ever-developing machines all over the globe. Moreover, practical courses should be given much more relevance than the theoretical ones, because what I feel is that the better engineers are those who invent than those who analyze. And IIT's aim should be to produce inventors, discoverers, and not mere analysts. We should collaborate with more and more foreign universities and exchange their technical culture with us. We still are termed much later after the institutes like the MIT, Stanford, and various others. But until and unless we stand at par with them, we should not stop innovating. Well, a clean, green IIT Delhi sounds good, isn't it? Our campus is beautiful for sure, but its beauty can further be enhanced by the participation of its occupants, primarily the student community. Though measures have been taken, yet they aren't effective enough to keep the cleanliness of our campus worth appreciating. And not to mention here, it is quite evident that the world today needs environment-friendly technology in future to sustain life on our planet. Hence, this goal should always be in our mind. Lastly, we should not only focus on studying and developing the technology that the world is presently working on. Why shouldn't we work on technologies that we can give to our planet? India, since time unknown, has been a source of ken that even the best of scientists found much later. The science of yoga has been much underrated by us, but even today, the West recognizes its importance. I don't know if many people here believe in Indian mythology, but do you know that according to Ramayana, it is said that Ravana knew the way to connect the heaven and the earth. Don't you think the satellites being used today are a marvelous manifestation of the knowledge he possessed thousands of years ago? But, well, these satellites are surely not Indian inventions. They are not our gifts. Ravana was perhaps lazy and later got distracted, finally ruining himself. What I intend to deliver here is that we have it in ourselves, but it is necessary to produce results right away. We should stick to the goal of leading our nation ahead of all others without fatigue affecting us. It's been 50 years since the foundation of our IIT was laid. The vision for our IIT is quite clear and obvious. IIT Delhi should stand paramount in futuristic technical development, keeping in our hearts our nation and our planet. I would like to quote a saying from Shakespeare's Twelfth Night. Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrusted upon them. But for IIT Delhi, I would like to say, we as IIT Delhi were born great, have achieved greatness, but shall strive harder to thrust the best of greatness upon ourselves.